For the next task, we need to use a Vlookup in order to look up the destination airport to display its full name right here, just to the right of that cell. So what we're going to do is in this cell, we're going to type equals Vlookup, and then Excel gives you the process underneath in the help text. So the first thing that we're looking for is the lookup value, the thing that we are trying to find. And in this case, the lookup value is going to be the destination code. So you can see that once we click on it, we don't get a cell reference. Instead, we get the name that we've given it, dest. So now we put a comma, and then it's looking for the table array. And this is where we're looking to find this value in. That's on our destinations worksheet. And this time, we're going to select the first two columns of this entire table. We're then going to do a comma and choose the column that we want to display. Now, the leftmost column is column 1, and the one next to it is column 2. And that's the one that we want, so we're going to type 2. And finally, you almost always want to type false for an exact match. There are some specific cases where an approximate match would be helpful, like in grade boundaries, but for this case, we're only interested in exact matches. Nothing similar, only those matches, because we've already validated them. So if we choose false, and then close our brackets, and hit enter, you'll see that we get an NA error. Now that doesn't mean that you've got it wrong. What it means is there is no value in this cell. So we're attempting to look up nothing. So the last thing it tells you to do in the question is to test it to prove that it works by choosing SIN, S-I-N, and that should show Singapore Changi Airport. Now we can do it with a bunch more and make absolutely certain that it's displaying what it should, and it is. And I'm going to set it back to SIN.